Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. Yup, it's another iPad video. Oh wait, I haven't introduced myself to my new viewers. Do I need to, since I am a YouTube sensation now? Just kidding. If you're new here, you can check my previous videos where I introduce myself before the start of each video, and my videos are based on productivity and sometimes tech. So if you're interested in this kind of topic, then you can absolutely subscribe to this channel, which will actually help my channel to grow, which will motivate me to create more interesting content in a higher quality. Now let's talk about why I love my 8th gen iPad which I have recently bought, and will share some of the reason why you might need one. The first reason is A12 Bionic chip, which is super powerful and can handle any task without a hiccup, be it creating professional digital art using Procreate or maybe creating super satisfying thumbnail for your YouTube channel. Even editing 4K is done like a boss using apps like LumaFusion. Editing photo in Lightroom is buttery smooth. Playing games on this iPad is such a pleasant experience. Everything runs almost in 60 FPS. Taking notes on this device will make you fall in love with the process that you start thinking of entering into the paperless digital world. Reading books and annotating topics is so simple and flawless thanks to the A12 Bionic chip. Basically, this iPad can handle anything that you throw at it without any problem. Now the second reason is the price of the iPad. Now you may be thinking that $329 or 29,990 rupees if you are living in India for the base variant is not cheap, but there is no other tech product in this category that can do all these tasks in such a flawless manner. Some of the tasks that I haven't mentioned earlier is that this iPad can do multitasking. For example, you can take notes with another document opened as a separate window. You can also take notes while playing video at the same time, and the most important thing is that it does it very smoothly. The browsing experience is exactly similar to that of Mac because of the Safari app. The collection of apps in the App Store is unmatched. There are professional apps in all categories that can help you to create professional work. Oh, what can I say? At $329, this is hands down one of the best tablets that you can buy in this price range, and nothing comes close to this in this budget range. The third reason is the accessories for this iPad. Apple makes some fantastic accessories for this budget iPad. The Apple Pencil is just amazing and it doubles the productivity of this iPad. It functions exactly as normal physical pencil and can do more than that. Now, this iPad uses the first generation of Apple Pencil, but that doesn't make any kind of difference. One of the downsides is that Apple doesn't include this Apple Pencil within the box. So you need to buy that separately, and it costs around $100 or 8,500 rupees in Indian market. But the amazing thing is that there are a lot of third-party pencils available which works amazingly well with this budget iPad, and they're a lot cheaper than the Apple Pencil. So you can opt for that. I'm using a third-party Apple Pencil here, and it works like a charm without any problem. You can also attach a smart keyboard with this budget iPad, but if you buy it from Apple, then it will cost you a lot amount of money. So what you can do is go for a third-party keyboard which will cost you a much less amount of money and will do the work without any problem. You can also attach a wireless mouse to this budget iPad, which will actually give this iPad a laptop-like feel. The fourth reason is the display. It's a 10.2-inch Retina display which is crisp and vibrant for watching videos, and you can also play YouTube videos at 4K, which is just absolutely amazing. I love the aspect ratio of the display, which is very good for reading books and documents. But the only downside is that the display is laminated. That is, there is a bit of air gap between the actual screen and the glass. If this is your first iPad or you were upgrading from the previous gen budget iPad, then you won't notice anything. But if you have ever used iPad Pro or iPad Air, then you can definitely notice that, but soon you'll get used to it. This won't hinder the workflow, but it takes away the part of luxury attached with an item. That's the Apple way of saying that if you want the luxury attached to an item, then you should upgrade to iPad Pro. The fifth reason is that it has a headphone jack, so you don't need to invest in some kind of expensive wireless headphone in order to get a good sound quality. So you can use your pre-existing headphone, which will absolutely do the work without any problem. This iPad has a great battery life and provides up to 10 hours of of battery. So you can travel with this iPad without having to worry about charging this iPad frequently. This iPad also provides a decent 8 megapixel shooter at the back, which is good for scanning documents for student purpose, for example, scanning documents such as college notes or homework. With all these cool features and the way this iPad handle all these tasks with such comfort, I cannot think of any other tablet within this budget range that can do all these tasks in such a comfortable manner. So if you are a student and you have been planning to buy a tablet within this budget range, then this is the tablet that you should be going for without any hesitation. Now if you ask me about Samsung Tab S6 Lite, which is also a tablet within this range, then I'll straight away say don't go for that. This budget iPad is far better than Samsung Tab S6 Lite, and I can sum up by saying that this budget iPad that has been released recently, that is the 8th generation of iPad, is just a productivity beast. Yeah, this is all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, then please consider doing so. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye.